What is up, everybody? It's Kat. Hello. Today is a very exciting day. We are installing the MXP exhaust onto Yuki, which is gonna be so awesome. I'm intoxicated. It's Saturday. It's 2020. Anything goes. I'm over it. Literally over it. So that's where we're currently at. We got Joe, Luis, and Alex. They are all gonna help today install the exhaust. I am just gonna be the camera woman per usual, and yeah, fueled by tequila and Trulies. Damn, that ass in the air though. Mikey, don't put that in. Just put it in, Mikey, f it.
That ass only.
It's 2020, no one cares. Oh wait, I haven't even shown them the exhaust yet. Oh my God, I'm terrible.
Your tip isn't supposed to be that color.
So the exhaust is a MXP XP exhaust, dual exit, and it has the pretty tips. The pretty tips. I'm very excited to see how it looks on Yuki. Honestly, I have no idea how it's gonna sound, but I hope it sounds good. Alex said it sounds good, so I trust his judgment, but I kind of kept it as a surprise for myself, so let's find out. Luis, are you having fun? Oh my God, you look like you're having so much fun.
First time touching a spot.
I got your right side.
Thumbs up. So why is it? There we go.
Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its and rice. Joe. Hang on.
Good.
Looks pretty cool under
It's
here.
gonna be like a pretty diesel.
Yeah.
Looks pretty fucking
It's
cool.
a really cool, like 12. What is it? V12.
So
Can we
cool.
put speakers underneath it?
Oh yeah, underglow, speakers.
Undergrow.
Underglow,
Underglow.
speakers.
And we're gonna get the Lambo doors.
Yeah.
Lambo doors underneath.
Ooh, underneath. So you push a button. You push a button, and the exhaust goes.
It just goes straight pipe.
I can't believe-
Like Batman
sideways.
style.
Okay.
You lay down and it pulls you.
One.
Bro, you like my extension?
It's so sick, bro.
I can touch things. I can touch things from far away.
Wow, that's a really long tip you have, sir.
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
Oh my God.
Remember, what kind of fish is a tuner?
It's the kind you can eat raw.
Hey, I just got a tuner out the bay there. 500 pounds.
God.
You sound like a Canadian Newfoundlander.
You really do. Sound like you're from Minnesota.
He's practicing because he's gonna go there.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
You just want to start it again to hear what it sounds like, don't you?
Oh no. There she goes. That sounds. Yeah, I like that. That sounds real good.
Like a gasket.
We're replacing it anyways.
That little gasket. Hey guys, Joe's gonna take you on the Zoomy boy because we're just waiting for the boys to figure out what they're doing. Zoomy, yes. You guys are getting the mid section.
Mm-hmm.
It looks so much cleaner. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, no, that should just be like that.
Oh my God, who's gonna peel the goodies off?
You.
Okay. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to freaking see how she sounds. Oh my God.
You mean
See
hear
how she sounds.
Yeah, see. See, hear, feel. Oh my God, love.
You wanted fun content. Here I am.
Fun tent.
Fun tent.
Are you up there?
Are you up? Are you on?
Pretty much. I'm just like right on top of it.
I'm not in yet. Hang on.
Can you make it?
I don't know.
That's it right there.
Now comes for the most satisfying part of taking this off. If I can. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Brand new, baby. Woo! Sexy. Well, we have the exhaust installed. I am intoxicated, but you know what? It's okay. So we don't have a downpipe on this car. That's why it sounds pretty tame, which is I'm totally okay with it right now, but we are going to need a tune before we get the downpipe, so that's kind of the reason why we don't have one. Waiting to see like what I want to do engine-wise to maybe wait for the tune, but so far, so good. It looks so amazing on the car. I'm so happy with it. This is the workstation. As you can see, there's lots of tools here. You got wrenches, you got sockets, you got other things here that are just to fix the car. To fix the car, Mr. Ruski.
Na zdrowie.
Okay, so I ordered a front lip for the EVO. It's the Vortex, I can't remember. But it's here now. All right, come on, Luis. This is what you're meant for, the knife party. Oh, damn.
I gave you a knife, so.
I know. You gave me a knife for my birthday. Oh, snap. Look at that.
Oh, it's this way.
Damn, it's huge. Sick. Oh my God, this is gonna look.
This is one of these bendy boys.
Bendy boys.
It's
To
like
the front.
It's a lip, it should be a bendy boy. You're gonna scrape it anyway.
True.
I mean, okay, so this is going to be color matched to the car. Oh my God. That is, wow, look how good it fits. That completely changes the front end. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, when this is white, dude. Oh my God, it's gonna look so good. I'll wait until we paint it white. This is for another video, but oh my goodness, completely changes the front end, like 100%, wow. Wow. So much meaner. Yuki's so angry, she angry. All right guys, we are completely done with the exhaust. It sounds really good. Perfect. I cannot wait to paint and install the lip. It's gonna look phenomenal. But we are gonna go drink more. It's been a very drunken Saturday and we are just gonna continue on with the party. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More mods to come. Obviously, we have wheels, tires, lips, things, all these things happening to my little Yuki, and I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, and being part of the Cat Fam. And I'll catch you guys next time.